So Beautifully Organised is the monthly subscription box filled with everything to get you super organised in the prettiest way possible. Available now at CraftStash, this second selection is a stunning dotty design and it's just been released, so I am super excited to get my hands on mine. Let's have a look and see what's inside. So let's take a look here. We've got inside the box some tissue paper. Oh, that's a gorgeous colour. So inside here, hidden away. Oh, these are beautiful. Let's pop this tissue paper to the side. I'm a crafter. I will be absolutely using that later. So we've got a booklet here. Gorgeous design on the front, make it happen. And inside is our weekly spreads. So we've got habit trackers. Oh, that is fantastic. So planning meals, activities for the kids, school things, brilliant. So pencil case, this is a really good quality. So inside, let's see what's in here. We've got 3 pencils. Oh, they're luxury pencils, aren't they? Now look at them. They've got the metal caps on the ends as well. And on them, what do they say here? They say hydrate, breathe and love. Pop them to the side. So then let's have a look at these paper clips as well. Oh, I love paper clips at the minute. They are so on trend. I'm using them everywhere. And these are cute little arrows. So I guess with that design, you're going to be able to see the front and the back of them equally. Perfect for that journal that we've got, or the diary. We've got some sticky notes or sticky tabs. Brilliant for popping on the fridge when you need to remember your food, leave notes for the family. We've got a sharpener here, of course, because we've got pencils. We need a sharpener. Keeps it nice and clean with that twisty lid as well. Oh, these pom-poms are beautiful. I am in love with these. So we've got little clips on them as well. So unclip them. You can put them on your keyring and your pens, or look, you can pop them on the zip here. You can change the colours around when you feel like it as well. Again, something I need to keep away from my daughter, I think. She'll soon be having those. Now the other day I got caught out with a birthday I'd forgotten to get a card for. This would be really handy to have in there. Be your beautiful self. So I would pop that in my drawer, in my spare drawer, so it's always there when I've forgotten someone's birthday again. It will happen again, with a dotty envelope to match. Perfect. So I've got the leaflet here. I'll have a little read through that later, talking all about the subscription boxes, I'm sure. And then lastly, we've got the pattern paper. Now this is like gift wrap, but really high quality, double-sided, or really large sheets actually, and 2 designs. I love everything. So you can pick up your So Beautifully Organised box right now at craftstash.co.uk, and there are some amazing subscription offers on at the moment as well. So I can't wait to see how beautifully organised this makes you.